fully built out on the first 3 floors. So the first 3 floors fully built out as modern biomedical research laboratories, support space, education facilities, faculty offices, administrative offices. The 4th floor is shelled space. So we're able to develop that in whatever way makes sense over the next few years. We could do more of our basic research, we could do company attraction, we could do education space. Very efficient. You don't have to have multiple pieces of instruments. You can share instrumentation. The different students and researchers can use each other's resources. They can talk to each other. And in a smaller space, you can put more scientists and have them be more effective than in the old style laboratories where each person had their own little space that they were working in.
Building and then onto that patio where you see the workers out there working. A portion of it's going to be covered, the rest of it will be open. Going down to 2 staircases that'll lead you to basically where that quick-creep mixer is. It's going to be a big patio with a pergola and then a walkway to each building with some landscaping around it so that the residents here can go out, congregate, hang out in the sun. To the right, that's the location of the future 4th building. In the meantime, there's going to be a gas fire pit and green space. I don't know if this is permanent or not, but the property management office will be basically right where that trailer is down there.
It's also going to house our Biomed STEM Academy, the high school will be housed in 9th through 12th grade. Rural STEM school, and then that continues on around. So this entire structure will continue on around and connect to the front of our building, and that hasn't been built yet is the medical education complex. So it'll have a 350-seat lecture hall, a small group teaching facility, so it's for our expanded medical and pharmacy clinics.